Okay, this is my proof of concept. It's what I call a healing pillow, and it's very cheap, and I'm giving this idea away to anyone that wants to make one of their own. Right, so that's a sine wave generator, generating a sine wave at 432 hertz, or you can adjust it 520, or the healing frequencies that you can find and that I can print up. A cheap 2-channel amplifier that can actually go up to 100 watts, and it's got its own bass channel with its own frequency adjustable subwoofer signal, as well as the left and right if you want to use those speakers. But this is for this concept, and this is a bass reflex speaker that can be pressurized. So these are designed for inside of the backs of cars and stuff like that, for that sort of bass reflex, and this works really good. So let me try and demonstrate. So yeah, feel the vibrations straight away, and you can adjust the frequency. So you can do sub-harmonics, so that's 42 hertz, up to say 528 or whatever you want to go to. You can just dial it in if you want. Anyway, let's just turn that down before I drive the neighbours insane. But like, here we go. So yeah, we know 528's a good one, but you could do octaves, lower octaves going down. And let me tell you how cheap this is to do. Yeah, the speaker was about £10, and so was the tripod. This speaker was about £10, and this amp was about £8.50, and it's really quite pokey. I actually bought up to a 24 volt. That's a variable power supply. This amp, it'll take 12 to 24, and it doesn't seem to make any difference. Actually, it may do on these outputs, which I haven't used yet. So, but there's my proof of concept. It all works, and the reason I call it a healing pillow is because this little unit, this soft package, if you wrap it in this, the packaging it came in was perfect, and this will go straight into a pillow. You can cut a hole out inside a pillow, or add a bit more padding to it, and you place this on the area of pain on your body. So for me, it'll be in the middle of my back, and I need it now, so I'm going to test it. And then it's about finding the frequency that suits you. So maybe you just close your eyes and go by feel, what seems to be penetrating right. And plus there was a host of known healing frequencies that you can just dial in. This app is free. It's called Frequency. It's just a frequency generator. That's it. That's like £8.50. That speaker is about £10, and a 12 volt power supply, which will work. So add another £8-9 on top of that. So very cheap. There you go. It's yours. Guys, listen to my voice at 38 hertz. Not mad. Oh, that feels so good. My whole head's vibrating as well. So I'm here right now live. God, I can feel that as I speak, because it's right in my back, in between, just below my shoulder blades, right in the middle of my back where the pain is. And I'm at 174 hertz. Oh, I can feel it coming right through my ribs, into the front of my ribs. This is where I get a lot of my pain, right in my back and right round my ribs. So I'm able to center this vibrating speaker right in the middle of my back and turn it up a bit for a bit more. If we can tune the frequency, that feels about right. Nice penetrating sine wave. Super cheap. Make sure you get the one with the bass output and the subwoofer. They look very similar, so don't be fooled. You got a simple stereo headphone socket in. That's coming from my phone, even though I'm using the video right now. And 12 volts to 24 volts, but 12 volts seems to be fine. So, and the sine wave generator is free online. Oh yeah, so I've got some pain going on right now, so I'm just going to give it, say, I don't know, half an hour, see how we do on 174 hertz.